So, 10 taon muli kang mabubuhay? Oh, another 10 years? Wow! 97 years old. Wow! 2030, how old are you in 2020? You're 87. 2030. Oh, 2030. 2030. Ano ba ngayon? 2025, 26, 27, 29, 30. 87 plus 5 years. 92 ka in 2030? Wow! Wow! That's incredible! 92. You'll be 92 in 2030? Congratulations, mommy! Oh my God! You know,